afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Lake Seminole Park. Today is December 28th, also the reopening day right here at this park since the hurricanes swept through this area. Want to show you guys today what this place looks like now that it's reopened and now that this park is back to its fully functioning abilities. I'm going to be checking out the boat ramp, I'm going to be checking out the lake, and I'm going to be checking out everything in between. So thank you for joining us, and let's go for a little walk. So first up, we're going to be checking out the lake here. I got the GoPro out just to give you guys a little bit more of a wider angle. And I'm also going to be having my pocket look at me while we are exploring this beautiful park here in Seminole, Florida. The grass is a little overgrown, but still looks pretty good nonetheless. We got the bathrooms coming up over here. I'm gonna walk around here a little bit more. Before we go to the next parking spot and look over there, we're going to be basically giving you guys a full tour of this park here, just showing you guys what's going on. As you guys can see, there's still some debris left over and some trees that are down from the hurricane. They did have to cut these trees down, unfortunately, but things are a little different. You can see this tree up here that was totally blown over from the hurricane. There was, I believe, about 80-mile-an-hour gusts here during Milton especially. We also had Helene come in as well. That was more flooding issue than it was wind. Milton caused more of the wind damage. But that is this side, so we're going to go to our next stop. Alright, y'all, we made it to our next stop here by Lake Seminole. We're going to be coming up to the fitness area of this park. There is a giant trail here. I believe it's over 3 miles long. If I'm correct, one of my friends who is a runner actually comes out here every once in a while to do his running training for the marathons, as well as his 5Ks and everything else that he does for the running. But I'm not going to be doing that trail. I'm just going to show you guys a little bit more of the park and everything that is, like I said, cleaned up and open right here. So I'm going to turn this camera around now, so you guys can see fitness center area is good to go. I mean, looks like the little tire mat is a little torn up, but that may have been prior to the hurricanes as well. Unfortunately, I cannot work out right now due to our unfortunate car accident that happened a couple weeks ago. Still kind of out of commission with that. But I did want to come out here because this is opening day for Lake Seminole Park. I'll just give you guys a little overview of what is going on here. Looking forward to being back in action and showing you guys even more than what I can do now. But for now, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Let them know that this park is back open if they want to come out and enjoy the lake, enjoy the park, enjoy the trails. Everything is back open today. Over to these bathrooms now, as well as the ballpark area. There's still a lot of debris on the ground, but it is open, it is safe. They wouldn't have opened this if it wasn't safe. But as you guys can see, this ballpark has seen much better days. We're walking more towards the lake over here, but as you guys can see, there is still a lot of debris on the ground. coming over to this tree pretty soon that was toppled over. I want to show you guys that real quick. Stepping on some leaves right now. But I do want to show you guys this tree. And this is over at pavilion number 13. Pretty crazy. But it looks like they got it chainsawed up and cleaned up as much as they can for now. Wow. I'm gonna walk over to the lake a little bit here. All right. I'm gonna be walking over towards the boat dock now. Wow. So as you guys can see, this lake is pretty shallow. Used to be a lot more water in here. Especially at the boat ramp. I mean, look at how low that is. I don't know if you can even get a boat, maybe a jet ski out, but I don't know how many boats you can actually fit in that shallow end over there. Gonna make our way to the other pavilion now. Definitely got to watch where you step here. But now we're over here at this pavilion. Not real sure what number this one is. There's a lot of flies out right now. Just trying not to see a snake. Because they're out. They're definitely out today. Saw one at our apartment complex before we left today. Not a fan of snakes at all. Alright, that's as close as I'm going to get. But yeah, as you guys can see, that's the lake over here. More of the Lake Seminole. And we're going to make our way back to the car now. So I just want to give you guys a little update. So Sand Key is open. Lake Seminole just opened today as the time of the recording here. I'm also going to try to make it over to Fort DeSoto after I film this park. I hear that East Beach on Fort DeSoto Park is actually open now. They opened like a week ago. Couldn't get out there yet, but today I'm going to try my best to show you guys that beach. I got everything ready to go. I just need to get over there. It's about 20 minutes from here. 20, 30 minutes maybe. But I just wanted to show you guys Lake Seminole Park. There's a lot of people here. A lot of people know that this is open, which is really cool considering, I think it was the last weekend we did Sand Key reopening, there was hardly anybody out. But today, a lot of people are here. A lot of people are having fun. It is right before the new year. And slowly but surely, paradise is coming back to Pinellas County. We are over here now at the boat dock at Lake Seminole Park. The other side where we just came from. Showing you guys a more up close view of the boat ramp here. It's kind of crazy how shallow this water is, but I want to get a closer view and show you guys that real quick here. Looks like there are some boats out on the water right now, which is nice. Yeah. But I'm going to turn the camera around now, show you guys what this looks like. Use extreme caution, 12/28/2024. But yeah, as you guys can see, this is pretty low. This is really, really low. And that water is disgusting. Very brown. Gonna go more on the dock here now. So you guys, more of this ramp. They put a lot of work in opening this park. Cannot fish on the docks. Ugh. As you guys can see, we came from over there a little bit ago. Show you guys the lake over here. But yeah, if you guys want to try it out, you can. Bring your boat out. See what you guys think of this. I might wait a little bit longer. I might just wait just a hair longer, let this park kind of recoup a little bit more. But if you guys are itching to get some fishing done, it's open. Use your own risk, use your own judgment, but it's open. So you guys want to come have fun, take your boat out, take the jet ski out, come on out. I've made it to the front of the park now, the front of the lake here. I'm going to be showing you guys pavilion number 5. Turning the camera around right here. Bathrooms as you walk into the front of the park here. We got the playground over there, but I'm not going to film. There are some kids out playing around. I don't want to film that for protection reasons. But I do want to show you guys another angle of the lake here. And again, if you guys are enjoying these videos, it takes a lot of gas, a lot of time, and a lot of effort to track these down and go out and get this filming done. So all I'm asking for is a thumbs up on this video. Greatly helps the channel. Here we go. Out on pavilion number 5. All right, everyone, we have made it to pavilion number 1 here at Lake Seminole Park. And as you guys can see, I'm going to turn this camera around. That is from the hurricane. And then we have the pavilion number 1 here. You guys can see a lot of brush and debris has been taken out of here. Ooh, you guys want to see a really bad looking dock? Let's get closer to that. But yeah, that has seen much, much better days. Wow. These hurricanes definitely rip through here pretty good. But good news is everything is coming back. Everything is slowly starting to get better than it was before. They're going to continue to work on this. But in the meantime, come out, enjoy your time with your family, your friends. See what's going on, see the progress for yourself. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Greatly appreciate you guys, and hope you guys have a great new year. If I don't see you in the next video, we are doing a video tonight with Johnny B, a legendary comedian in the Tampa Bay area over at the Clearwater Comedy Club. This video will be posted before that video. So, if you guys want to see that, be sure to subscribe. Looking forward to hanging out with him and showing you guys a little bit of comedic comedy. Maybe a little on the extreme side, but it's still going to be a fun night. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time right here in Paradise in Pinellas.